Blue Shield GPW is a polymer-coated fiberglass reinforced barrier paper. The product features 4 layers. 2 sheets of high-quality craft paper are joined together with a barrier laminate encapsulating fiberglass reinforcement between the papers. The product is then coated with a UV-stable white polymer coating for a second layer of barrier. Let's review Blue Shield GPW's performance metrics. GPW is our barrier champion. It's a 5-star moisture barrier resisting water, oil, grease, and other industrial fluids. The fiberglass reinforcing threads mitigate tears from propagating. This enhances the durability and longevity of the product. GPW can be reused, given how well it stands up to moisture. GPW receives 3 stars. GPW is not designed to be breathable. The high level of barrier does not allow for breathability. GPW is similarly priced to our SW40 product.